Can I tell you this? The test of destiny will insult your pedigree. The test of destiny will turn you. Sometimes you look at yourself and say, I'm not a fool. Be careful. The moment it starts looking like God is just allowing things to fall your hand, like we call it, be careful. There are people today who would have become mighty men and women of God if they had submitted themselves to cleaning the chair. They say, no way, I can't be carrying this heavy prophetic grace, especially when you are serving and your superiors may not seem to be as gifted as you. Maybe someone is in that phase right now. Listen carefully. I've trained the leaders in this ministry to understand that anything at all God gives you, do it with all your heart. You do not know what season you are stepping into. Are we together? Go and ask many great men. Do you know what Stephen was doing before he became that mighty man? Stephen was part of those who were serving tables. There are many great men today who started by scrubbing the floors of their CEOs, and while they were scrubbing the floors, they would hear discussions happening and they were gleaning all kinds of things. While their contemporaries were saying, I'm too big, they were saying, no, I love the Lord. Father, it's a privilege for me to do what I'm doing. The moment you are too big to be tested, you are also too big to be great, or too small to be great. I have told God, and I told God this right from before he lifted me, no matter what it is that I have to do, is in the name of the Lord and I'm serving you, I will do it with all my heart. I stand before the God of heaven and I'm telling you now, if the Lord asks me to drop this leadership and leave everything and go back to be an usher, even in Koinonia here, I stand by the God of heaven, I will do it. I know you would think I'm not all right, but I will do it. It's better to be wrong with God. Let me tell you how you know that the door of greatness is already closing in you. The moment what you were doing before, you now become too big to do it, check yourself. Go for a retreat quickly. Some of us, as it is today, if you hold a broom, you will be sick. May God forgive you in the name of Jesus Christ. Because you see, can I be honest with you, one of the ways to walk in humility is that occasionally in your life, disengage yourself with certain privileges, even if it's for a day, and you go back to the things you used to do. They will administer a measure of humility to keep you balanced. Because you see, as you rise, there will be people to serve you, protocol. You see me coming in and you see all these my people, everything, and some of you, this is what you are looking at. When you look at all these things, say, oh God, I must be like Joshua Selman. Not his prayer life, not his word life. What you want is this one, and God says you lie. I'm not, you don't cheat me like that. You go back and start that school of the Spirit. The season of testing. This is the season where it will look like God is not even answering your prayer. I've taught you here. As a man of God, you can pray for somebody, he will go for the crusades and be raising people from wheelchairs, and they bring somebody who is suffering from constipation. You will almost lay all your hands on the person and nothing happens, and the person says, I'm disappointed. I was told so much about you. I thought. And you say, me? And God says, keep quiet. Tell him, God bless you. You say, God bless you. And he leaves and you feel stupid. At a point you say, God, what is the name of all these things? God will send you to go and preach somewhere. As soon as you finish, you will be waiting, thinking an honorarium is coming. They will just carry maybe orange or banana, hold it in a leather and say, sir, may the Lord who called you honor you and bless you. Listen, listen. And you are standing there and wondering, okay, a 3 days conference, and God says, accept it quickly and go. He's winning you of the lust for things. Tests. Most of us miss these seasons because we have an idea that the moment you are gifted, the next thing after being gifted is celebration. You lie. Not in God's economy. There will be a season of test. This is where many people abort destiny and abort greatness. They are too big to serve. They are too big to pray. They are too big to do whatever it is that they do. Believe what I'm telling you.